No seatbelt. No seatbelt. Got your seatbelt on? Good man, thank you. Seatbelt. So this canine unit does have his seatbelt on, which is good news. Good news. No seatbelt. No seatbelt. Got her seatbelt on, but he didn't have his on. Zero 0715, no seatbelt. City employee wearing the seatbelt. That's great.
How you doing?
Pardon me?
How you doing?
Hi.
Need some help with something?
I'm just glad to see that you're wearing your seatbelt. I assume you're a city employee.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Did you ever write a ticket for somebody not wearing their seatbelt?
I'm sure I have in my career sometime.
Pardon?
I'm sure I have.
I'm sure you have too. It's good to see that you're following the law that you enforce.
Right. You need any help with anything else?
Help? No, I didn't ask for any help. Thank you for wearing the seatbelt.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. No seatbelt. Not that I can see. And Paul, get married, got a seatbelt on. Seatbelt on, very good. No seatbelt, huh? You pay to enforce the law or to break it? This man is wearing his seatbelt. Apparently he cares about his life and his family more than some of these other officers do. Pardon me?
It's away.
What's that?
You know who James O'Reilly is, dude?
No.
You know who Martin Luther King is, right?
I've heard of him.
Today's Martin Luther King's Day.
Oh, great. fantastic.
It's a pretty cool camera, dude.
Yeah, keeping the police accountable behind you there.
Accountable for what?
Breaking the law.
Breaking the law. You sure you ain't a cop?
I don't know, maybe I am.
Where you from?
I'm sorry.
My name's Harris.
Hi, Harris.
How you doing?
Good to meet you.
Want a cigar?
No, I don't smoke.
You don't smoke?
No, I gave it up.
What for? Land?
Pardon?
What you give up for land?
No, I can't afford it. I guess I don't have as much money as you do. No. I quit, man.
Here, have a cigar.
I don't want a cigar.
Sure you got a cigar.
I'm sure I don't want a cigar.
Yeah, you gotta have a cigar.
How's it going, man? You wearing your seatbelt? I'm not sure.
You got a cigar.
I don't want a cigar.
Happy Martin Luther King Day, dude.
Pardon?
Happy Martin Luther King Day.
I told you I don't want it.
No, I insist you have a cigar.
I insist that I don't want
I
one.
insist you have a cigar.
Hey man, what's going on? Let me see you over here on the steps. Let me see you over here on the steps. Come here. Let me see you on the steps. You're alright. Come here. Let me see.
He didn't assault me or anything.
No, Alright, sir, do you need any assistance from me or anything?
I do not.
Okay. Alright, dude. I'm gonna just get his information. We'll go from there. So.
Alright.
I didn't know if you wanted to take off because you wanted to be away from him. You're welcome to stay wherever
I'm
you
gonna
want.
stand where I was.
Yeah, that's no problem.
No seatbelt?
You're good, sir?
No seatbelt? No seatbelt? So citizens have to do it, but you don't? Blue lives matter, man. You guys need to be safe, all right?
Good, sir?
Listen, about half of your people don't wear seatbelts, and I know that that's the #1 cause for death for law enforcement officers, okay?
Oh, yeah. Officer Down Memorial page posts that every year.
I think maybe they need to put out a memo. You guys, about half of your officers don't wear seatbelts.
Yeah, well, the other thing is you got to keep in mind, particularly when you're coming in here, a lot of us pop them off a block 2 away from
Well, but can I pop mine off a block 2 away from my house? Would that be legal? Would that be legal? No, it would not.
We do that so we don't
Listen,
get trapped in vehicles.
I understand, but
I'm not talking about driving around the roads. I understand your point.
okay, but you can get slammed into right here, can't you?
No, that's certainly true. We understand that.
So if you guys care about your families, right? You guys have families, all right? So it seems to me like if you care about your family, you put your seatbelt on.
Yeah, but you have to understand we weigh both sides of that.
No.
Get out of the car or something.
I understand if you're in hot pursuit, you should be wearing it until it's time, or just before it's time to get out.
No, of course, absolutely.
You got to take it off to get out of the car. I understand all that, man. But what I'm trying to say is you guys are giving tickets for people who do the same thing that you guys do, and it's a little hypocritical.
I see where you're coming from.
No, I don't drink.
Have you ever been down those shades?
I'm busy, man. I'm working right now.
You're working. Who are you working for?
I'm the press.
Which press?
I'm the media.
Which media?
Pardon?
Which media? I'm a rock star, dude.
You're a rock star? Okay.
Yeah, really, seriously.
You
on
are with-
YouTube?
Yeah, you're on YouTube right now.
No. What do you mean? You do films for YouTube? Cool. Hi, folks. My name's Harris Pagan. I'm a lead vocalist in New York's legendary Les Patrol. I'm the father of Scumrock. You know what Scumrock is?
Never heard of it.
Gigi Island?
Never heard of it.
You never heard of Gigi Island?
You're interfering with my work. I
What do
asked
you mean
you.
let me interfere with your work?
I'm asking you to please move
You're
on.
the press, dude.
I am the press,
can't tell
and
me
I'm
to
trying to
move
do a
along.
job, and
What do you mean a job? What's your YouTube channel? Can you show me?
you can find me at Restore American Liberty.
Oh, you're part of the Tea Party?
I didn't say that.
You're part of the Tea Party.
I did not say
I
that.
love the Tea Party, man. I was hanging out with truckers and shit. You ever gone hang
Listen,
out
you
with
better
truckers?
get out of the road there. They're gonna arrest
What do you
you.
mean, for what?
You
I'm
can't.
gonna
You
arrest
can't
you
block
for
the
what?
driveway, man.
I don't give. Hey, buddy. Hey, you want a cigarette?
Thank you for smoking.
Oh, that's good for you. Yeah, I wish I could get. Sure you don't want a cigar, sir?
That's right. I'm asking you to please stop following me, okay?
I'm not following you, dude. I'm just hanging out. I'm a little drunk, but so fucking what, dude?
I don't care if
Hey, you say you're on YouTube. That's cool. How many hits you get on YouTube?
over 500,000.
500,000. Cool. Hey, folks, how you doing? My name's Harris Frank, and I'm a lead vocal control. I'll tell you, I'll sing a song. People are strange when you're a stranger. Faces look ugly when you're alone. Women seem wicked when you're unwanted. Streets are lonely when you're down, when you're strange. People come out of the rain when you're strange. Damn, so you're in the media and you ain't talking about Rockstar? What the fuck? Are you crazy? Now, I was singing the
I'm
song.
not here to do a story about you, okay? I'm here
Why
to
aren't
do
you
a story
doing
about the police.
What are you doing a story? What police?
The West Palm Beach police. Can you not see that?
Dude, you don't do a story in front of here. You gotta go out in the field.
Well, I'm right here right now.
No, you're right
How do you
there.
know I don't do it in the field?
Well, see, right now, you're not doing a story about the police. You're
Your
doing a
pants
story
are
about
falling
me.
down, man.
What do you mean my pants are falling down?
I'm just telling you.
Oh, my pants are falling down.